Yes, people, welcome to the Loaded Cannon AlbertJTV fan cam. Arsenal 3, Manchester United 2. Come on, you Gunners! Wow. Guys, football. What a game, man. Who can't love football? You got to be kidding me. Mo, my brother, man, thank you for the opportunity. I know you how much you despise Manchester United, so this one's for you, brother, man. Wow. Listen, man, let me tell you something, Arsenal community, man. Arsenal have had test after test after test this season. The teams around the top of the table, mid-table, bottom end of the table, going behind, being in front. And we've come through another test yet again, people. Wow. If I can try and make sense of this fan cam, I will try, people, but forgive me, man. Listen, credit to both teams. What a fantastic game of football. Arsenal come out on the front foot yet again. United don't know what's hit them. But you know what? As we always say in football, make possession count when you're on the front foot and you're at home in a big game against a rival side. And listen, United get the goals to go 1-0 up with Marcus Rashford. I was disappointed from an Arsenal point of view how we conceded the goal, but sloppy play from Thomas Partey, but Marcus Rashford punishes us. And they gave us a few problems on our right hand side for once. Actually, we've been pretty solid down that side with Ben White, but Ben White gets a booking, so he's on tender hooks for a sort of the match. But Arsenal have shown the resilience and the spirit. And when we go 1-0 down or goals behind, we do not panic. And the crowd rose them up. The players looked at each other and said, you know what? We're 1-0 down, we go again. And they did. We get the goal back to make it 1-1. And what a brilliant goal. Beautiful goal. Fantastic build-up play. Very, very patient. And listen, a fantastic header from Eddie. Brilliant. I'm glad to see him get another goal this season in the Premier League, man. But you know what? I think United would have took it 1-1 at half-time. I thought they were pretty solid, United, to be fair. And they did look dangerous at points in the match, but so did we. Martin Odegaard, again, influential. And I thought United struggled a bit. And they did sit a little bit deep and sat off Saka and let him come inside. And you know, listen, Wan-Bissaka on the other side of right back, defensively he's excellent. So Martinelli was going to have a tough time. But listen, we come out for the second half, dominant possession, like 75% possession. On top of United, we're piercing through their midfield. They can't get a grip on it. Surprising they brought Fred on so late because that was, to me, was obviously the issue. Saka was superb in that second half. Jesus Christ, he gave Luke Shaw endless amount of problems. Again, Wan-Bissaka dealt with Martinelli a little bit better on their right-hand side, Manchester United, but Arsenal deserved to go 2-1 up personally, man. Fantastic strike by Bukayo Saka. Brilliant. Another goal for him in the Premier League, man. Again, I was so frustrated and angry the goals we conceded today. Because if you look at it with the second goal, you guys might disagree with me, but before they got the corner, we was actually on the ascendancy in terms of a quicker transition of play. Partey tried to hit a first-time ball, I think, through to Martinelli or Eddie, I can't remember, but the ball wasn't on. We turn over possession, they get the corner, score from there. So we 2-2, and again, I'm looking at thinking, this game's here for us. We're dominating it. United are getting penned in. The struggling still with our midfield, and it was endless and attack and constant pressure. Created opportunities. Fantastic save from De Gea from Eddie with the chance that I can remember off the top of my head. But we persevered and we persevered. Obviously, you know, Ben White came off and Tomiyasu came on during that second half, and which made sense because on top of that, they was giving us problems on the right hand side, and on top of that, Ben White had a yellow card. So there were times when we could have made it a little bit difficult for ourselves. Fantastic save by Aaron Ramsdale. Massive save in the second half from Marcus Rashford, and it had a deflection. Superb save. Key moments in the game of football, but we persevered, we got our rewards in and just deserved, man. We were superb. I'll be honest with you, I instantly thought it was offside. So I knew it was tight. I thought it was Eddie at first, but then it might have been Zinchenko, then it could have been Eddie again. Oh, man. But the goal stood after the VAR check, and a deserved 3 points to go, 5 points clear at the top of the Premier League. Absolutely buzzing. Thought Bukayo Saka was excellent. There were some good performances. Zinni, wow. That guy can play ball, man. Jesus Christ, man. Odegaard, influential yet again. Scoring more, another win at home. what's that, about 25 goals scored at home in the Premier League season, I believe. Fantastic stuff from Arsenal. People, drop your comments down below. I'm absolutely knackered. I've got a match review at 7:30, but people, Arsenal again beat another test. 3-2 to the mighty Arsenal. AlbertJTV over and out for Lodi Cannon Fan Cam. Come on, Arsenal!